We meal prepping. 1,309 grams of sweet potatoes. Now we're cutting these sweet potatoes. This knife sucks. Oh yeah, sweet potatoes. Dude, I have to like freaking put force into this. I think I need a better knife. Bigger knife. I dropped the sweet potato on the floor. I lost approximately 3 grams. Oh guys, I'm meal prepping 10 meals. Dude, sweet potatoes are so hard to cut. I'm cooking all this in the oven when I cook my chicken. Sweet potato. My aim is for 150 grams of protein a day and 3,000 calories. We have finished cutting the sweet potatoes. Yeah. Sprinkle it at the sides. This is round 2 of cutting sweet potatoes. Look, I cut the sweet potatoes smaller. Let's go, baby. The baby. My sweet potatoes are done. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Now we go on to the chicken. Good chicken is washed chicken. I have rinsed the chicken with water. Oh, my hand is cold. Cut the fat off. Freak you fat. There's a guy on TikTok who, like, he says, follow me if you're extremely fat phobic. I'm gonna say what he says. Follow me if you're extremely fat phobic. We ain't gonna be fat here, boys. Oh, meat. That's all the fat I cut off. It's a lot of fat. Now we throw this fat in the garbage. We are seasoning the chicken. Salt. Oh, yeah. Oil. Olive oil, to be precise. Black pepper. Thyme. I don't know what this is gonna do to my chicken. I don't know how much he said to put, but I'm just kind of putting whatever I feel like. Now, I gotta put garlic. I got garlic. What do I do with this?
You have to smash it.
Smash! It's not working. Just show me how to mash it, and that's all you need to do.
I did. I showed you before. You're gonna have to spread it evenly around.
What is the muscle emoji? Yeah. You should do that. No? I should do your left butt cheek. I hope this tastes good. I just want muscles. I just want bigger biceps. There's so much garlic. We need olive oil. Put a little bit more salt. Now this is going in the oven, 425 for approximately 25 minutes. Does it fit? Go on the bottom. For every cup of rice that I'm gonna be doing, I gotta do a cup and 1/4 of water per cup of rice. And I'm making approximately 3 cups of rice. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of rice. All right, so we have some left over. Should I make this? And more gains, so. Yep. Olive oil, salt. Okay, Mom. How the hell do I make these beans? I don't think the bowl's big enough. Okay, now I just rinse it? What do I do?
Huh? Rinse it. Soap and water.
Soap?
No, not soap.
Come on, they're spilling. I'm so confused how to do this. Here, I'm losing beans. I'm losing beans.
What are you doing?
You said put the beans in a bowl.
Yeah, but why this bowl?
Cause you said a bowl.
This is not big enough. See? No.
We lost some beans. Oh my gosh. All right, now we throw rice in there. Forget about it. All right. It should be at least 165. It's in the 140s.
Nope. Put it right back.
Another 8 minutes has been put to the clock. Chicken is exactly at 174.
Yep, that's cooked.
These are the cooked sweet potatoes. This is the chicken, 60 ounces. This is the sweet potatoes, a lot. This is the beans, a full can. This is the brown rice, 3 cups and a half.
That's too much.
Vegetables are cooking in the microwave. Guys, this is the finished result. It's chicken, sweet potatoes, black beans, and vegetables. 787 calories, 84 grams of protein, 105 grams of carbs, 5.7 grams of fat. Yeah, you like that.